Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Odyssey sliding door panel. First, ensure the automatic sliding door function is turned off to prevent accidental operation. Next, locate the inner door handle. Using a small pick tool, gently pry the clip from the back of the handle. Once the clip is released, the handle should slide off easily. This initial step ensures safety and provides access for further disassembly. Now let's move on to removing any visible fasteners. Look for screws, typically Phillips head, located in the door pull or behind the door latch. Remove these screws and set them aside. Then, using a plastic pry tool, gently work around the edges of any decorative plastic trim pieces, such as those around the window switch or mirror, to carefully pop them off. Take your time to avoid scratching the panel. With the screws and small trim pieces removed, it's time to release the main door panel. Start at a bottom corner, using a plastic pry tool to create a small gap. Once you have a grip, firmly but carefully pull the panel outwards to release the internal clips. Work your way around the entire perimeter of the door panel, ensuring all clips are disengaged. You may hear popping sounds, which is normal as the clips release. Once all the clips are released, the door panel will still be held in place by its top edge. Carefully lift the entire door panel straight up to disengage it from the window channel. With the panel free, you'll need to disconnect any remaining electrical connectors, like those for the power window switch or door lock. Simply press the release tabs and pull the connectors apart. Your sliding door panel is now fully removed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.